This is a. I thought I'd get this one in because this is how bad the other one is. It's really, really bad. Bloody cat. Yeah, it. Whoever's done it before has really, really done a bad job. But this, so this part's underneath the like the lip of the cab where the door shuts. So this bit here is underneath, and that edge there is where the door is. Again, completely rotted out at the bottom, completely gone. There's the broken light. But yeah, you can gauge how thick the filler was on the last one. But usual place to go here. Wheel arch. The bottom back of the cab sits on this part, and again it traps water and all sorts. But yeah, it's pretty horrendous. But once it's all, you know, rubbed back down, expose all the nasty bits. This might have to be cut back off because it's just, I think it's beyond anything. You know, even if you tried to cut that out, where the water's been underneath the filler, it's really pitted the metal. So, and it's half hanging off anyway. So I might just make a new one. Tack it in. Make sure that there's a bracket that lives in there, which is the bottom of it there. So yeah, we'll see. So that's the next stage of the operation. So yeah, got to grind all that weld off there because they literally just welded what they could to whatever they could find. These have all got to be plated in the cab because obviously that is actually part of the cab floor. So there you go. Another update. Cheers.